Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Baby Dogecoin on Coinbase Wallet. To get this token, open up your browser icon and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Now, once on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down till you find the Ethereum contract address. Once it's copied, minimize and open up your Coinbase Wallet. Now, with the Coinbase Wallet opened up, we're going to need some Ethereum to be able to buy this token. So click on the buy icon at the top left to either use your Coinbase account to purchase some tokens or transfer from your Coinbase account here. And the token you're transferring is the Ethereum. Now, if you don't have a Coinbase account, you could easily receive some tokens via the bridging option, which is basically bridging or swapping from one network to another. You could swap your Ethereum base into the mainnet Ethereum, which you could then use to purchase the Baby Dogecoin. Now, another option is to click on the receive option, and you could receive via your Ethereum address from either a centralized exchange or an external wallet. Now, once you've gotten yourself some Ethereum, head to the browser icon at the bottom of the screen. Once there, log on to uniswap.org. And the connect wallet option, click on connect, and where we have the Ethereum token, where we have swap, click on the Baby Doge and simply paste the contract address. Once you've pasted the contract address, select the Baby Dogecoin. Where we have the gear icon, click on this gear icon and select the slippage tolerance. Set the slippage tolerance to greater than 10%. So let's go with 12. Now, the reason we're going with 12% slippage tolerance is because according to tokenomics, there is a 10% fee on every transaction. So with that in mind, all you need to do now is enter an amount of Ethereum. And then by doing this, you notice that the fee is set to 0 because of the slippage tolerance. And then our network cost is $11 for gas fees. With this in mind, you could easily swap your Ethereum tokens into the Baby Doge, which you would then find on your wallet after a simple reload. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.